up, guys? What's up, guys? We on the way to the speedboat. It's a whole vibe out here. I wish I could have got earlier footage. I'll get it to you when we leave. But along the way, it was like a bunch of little nice little areas, little restaurants, spots you get drinks at, margaritas and everything you can think of, pretty much. Check this out, guys. Look at that. There it is. All right. Whole little vibe out here. Okay, go down here. Yeah. All right, we're trying to find out where we can get our tickets for the Thriller Speedboat. Okay. Unfortunately, they changed our time. We were supposed to be doing it at 11 o'clock. They changed us to 12 because they say that we're the only ones on the boat. They need enough people on the boat in order for it to go out. So they changed us to 12. So hopefully they don't change us no more. So that means since we got changed to 12, we got to change our reservations for our breakfast. We're going to eat at this place called Bacon Bitch. And we had it set for we had it set for 1 o'clock, so we're gonna have to bump that time up to probably 2. Hopefully they don't get an issue on doing that. So, yep. About to go down, baby. We got a whole little hour now before it go down. Oh yeah. It's nice in here. Nice little kicking spot. This right here is called BaySide, folks. BaySide. It's like a little, yeah. It's ice cream. Alright guys, let's try this ice cream. See you in a second. Alright guys, it's a whole vibe out here. Say hi, ladies.
The Lola Bar. So pretty.
What's the name of it again?
It's called Lola Bar.
Lola Bar. I think we'll be back here. It's a whole vibe out here. Hello. Alright, alright. Hustle mania out here. I wouldn't mind kicking it right there though. It's a nice little spot though.
Yeah. On the water.
Alright guys, there go our boat. Rescue on the top, just right there. How about? Dang, let's check this out. It's called Ben's Pizza, guys. Lie. Stuff look kind of nasty.
I
don't know. You might have a different opinion than me, but I ain't really feeling that. I can't judge it. I ain't never tasted so.
That's why she said downstairs.
Gotcha. Alright guys, we're about to go check in for our tickets. Our cruise don't start until the 12 o'clock, so. Alright, stay tuned guys for the fun. I always end up in the sun some kind of way. Guys, about to load up in a minute. Just start the engines. We all lined up. Yep. You hear it, guys? We loading up. You ready, wifey? Exactly. Look at my forehead. Sweat, man. And we're off.
And I paid
What's up, gang? We done got off the boat. So now we done went and got us some water. We was extra hot. As you can see, I'm sweating like crazy. My wife barely ever sweat. But now we are at the bacon. Yeah. It's about to be a whole vibe up in here. Stay tuned for all the fun. It's gonna be lit. Whole vibe, y'all. Here's to us. All this dust. Like this. Say it one more time.
Hi,
Not right now. See, I like her energy. The other ones, like, they were scared to say it. Like, you notice that? They was kind of low with it. She came in like, hey, Dad.
I did get it recorded, but you already got your bitch right here.
Right. Y'all some good bitches. Love this shit. All right, here. Like a pirate ship. Yo, man. Today been a lit day. We done had a ball. We went to Bayfront. What is it called? Bayfront? What's that called? Bayfront?
BaySide.
BaySide. Went to a little area called BaySide where they had the little speedboat, you know, what you saw on the video. Speedboat and a whole bunch of yachts and stuff, you know, the yacht tour, boat tours and all that stuff. And we went there earlier, as you seen, but then we came back. We went back to eat. They had a bunch of restaurants in there and stuff, so we ate at this restaurant called Black Market. Chicken wings, fire. Babe had a
Yeah.
Philly
can
Philly steak sandwich or something like that.
Walk in,
So
they
that's
say,
what
good
she
morning,
had.
bitches.
Oh yeah.
And then when they fit you to your table, they say, be with you in a second, bitch.
But yeah,
Okay.
it was lit. So right now we up in Walgreens getting us a case of water because we've been so thirsty and we haven't had anything to drink. So you know these rooms don't come with no drinks or nothing like that. So about to get us a case of water and go back to the room and call it a night, man. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. With that being said, I have nothing else to say. Tomorrow. Deuces.